Peppa Pig Pedro's cough. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly Hatty Dolly, sings Madame Gazelle. What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I'll ring Dr. Brownbear. Dr. Brownbear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brownbear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car, and drives straight to playgroup. I've got a cough, says Pedro when Dr. Brownbear arrives. It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brownbear. But it may be catching, so we'll give you some medicine. Cries Pedro. It tastes like old shoe full of jam. Susie Sheep and Danny Dog start to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brownbear, Pedro's cough is catching. He gives them both some cough medicine. It tastes of carpet-flavoured yogurt, says Susie. Yuck! It tastes of flowers, says Danny. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brownbear? Asks Peppa. I'm never ill because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brownbear. Soon it is home time and the parents arrive to pick up the children. Hooray! I've got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brownbear came to look after us, says Danny. All the adults start coughing too. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brownbear, now all the grown-ups are ill, she says. Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take the cough medicine. It tastes like custard and old socks, cries Madame Gazelle. All the grown-ups must take the medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine. Who looks after you when you're ill? Asks Peppa. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brownbear. I'm never... Dr. Brownbear has caught Pedro's cough too. Oh no! Who will look after Dr. Brownbear? Gasped Peppa. Poor Dr. Brownbear is taken to hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has brought some fruit. Susie has brought the medicine. Open wide, says Susie. Ugh! Cries Dr. Brownbear. It tastes like jammy yogurt flavoured carpet shoe with flowery custard old socks. Soon Dr. Brownbear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after, even Dr. Brownbear. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.